Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So we got some updates and stuff that we'll be doing. There's today. Tripod here. So first things first, I need an adjustable. In just 1 second. All right, here we go. The previous owner had put this aftermarket Chinese key on it, and basically it just gets stuck whenever you're cranking it, and it's like, this is no good. So here we go. We're gonna fix this. This is gonna be the first step. Let's see if I can get this out. Oh, I don't want that to fall either. There we go. Cool. So let me show you this. So on position, crank. Look, it doesn't come back. For some reason the spring is broken, and honestly, I didn't think it was worth fixing it because I got pretty lucky. I got a Polaris, genuine Polaris first, as well. Key ignition here. Still has the blue on it too, so let's get that off. Because over time it just looks like crap if you leave it on. There we go. Look at that, YouTube. And this looks fine, so just gonna put that on. Oh yeah. All right, let's tighten this up. We got the genuine key right here. And it's also good because now we have an actual spare. Let's see. See? Look at that. That's already better. We're going to take this spare off though. That way we actually have a spare. That'd be nice. Cool. What else is there? We've got a few other loose ends, so like the exhaust. I mean, it came with a gasket kit too, but I already put a brand new gasket with the exhaust, so I figured what's the point of doing that? So let's get you guys on the time lapse and get that done too. Let's see how much.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite.
Alright, YouTube. We have 3% battery left. You know what that means. This video is gonna get cut off. Let's see if it's on. The jump. Oh, there was one more thing that I bought, so you know what? We're gonna install that as well. But just for giggles, let's see how it cranks. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. Just like I said, the battery died. I was like, I have a feeling it's gonna die. But anyway, I almost forgot while I was trying to crank it for some weird reason, that I actually have a new fuel pump for this thing. A genuine Polaris fuel pump, which is right here. So, brand new fuel pump. know why I wasn't trying it. Yeah, genuine brand new fuel pump. So we're gonna install this one. Just see how it does. Yeah, might as well. Let's give it a shot.
If you're gonna find me for my heart, all you're gonna get is better cars.
What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love if it's hotter than fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart today. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna...
Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So it's a sad day at the Peters residence. Basically, I ran this about 2 or 3 times, at most 2 to 3 times, and all of a sudden I'm trying to drive it through the yard. It was running fine, and then boom, it just shut off. And I was like, something's not right here. So a few days ago, let's go to this side. Yep. I saw this. I took the head off. Well, not the head, but I took the valve cover off the Polaris. And it was like, well, that's not right. And it wasn't until just now when I took the head off that I saw the real damage that happened to the squad. Look at that. With a brand new head, brand new valves, everything was brand new. There was no problems with this engine. I didn't over rev it. It just completely bent the valve. What caused it? I'm gonna have to look it up because I was not expecting this. And when it bent, it did unfortunately hit the piston, but, and this is a very big but, it did not crack the piston. So I think I'm just gonna try to clean everything up and reuse it, because as you can tell, there's no plate in the actual crank. See? The only plate you see is me moving the piston back and forth here, and there's no actual other plate. Again, the carburetor was brand new. I just finished. Well, it was actually after this happened. I thought maybe it wasn't getting enough fuel, so I jetted out the carb, and that's a genuine Mikuni carb as well. Yeah, it was a brand new head. Brand new head from Polaris. So, like I said, what we're gonna do is, I have the old head right over here. Actually, I was looking at it, and I think we're just gonna end up rebuilding this one. And by rebuild, I'm not talking about like a full valve job here. We're just gonna polish up down here, take off the carbon. We're gonna reseat the valves, and we'll go from there. I'll probably even put brand new valve stem. I should have them actually over here. Nope. No. Oh, I think a few of them dropped. So I have that. I have that. I think that was it. That might have been it. And I believe that this is for the valves, if I am correct. I might be wrong though. No, this should be for the valves. Let me see. Yeah, this is for the valves. It's been a while since I've done anything like this. These feel strong. The springs are still good. I guess this is the, it's worth a shot. See if it's gonna work. Because something obviously happened. And I don't know what it was. Even the carb boot was brand new. I'm gonna have to make sure that these threads for the spark plugs aren't stripped, because looking at them. But I have I'll rethread those, and like I said, we'll just have to rebuild this head and keep moving on, because that's how we do it over here. So, sorry, this is how the series is ending, temporarily at least. I'm gonna have to pull the engine back out again, be another day job. But, for now, we got plenty of toys here, and we'll just keep pushing. So, tell me what you guys think. And I know nothing, it couldn't have been anything on my end, because I go through it 2-3 times, everything. Even, I had oiled the engine bolts, everything was torqued to spec. So it's a 2003 crank setup that they have on here. So I had it torqued down to 64 foot-pounds. I oiled them up. So everything was cranked down, brand new gaskets, head gasket, both the head and where the head actually meets the crankcase was brand new. It was on the correct way too. It's not like it wasn't. You can actually see here that all the channels are open for the bottom one. So it wasn't like that wasn't aligned or anything like that. Sometimes, mechanical stuff this happens. So that's it. Alright, YouTube, that's it. Diesel Dan Peter signing out for now.
Get these battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a biker, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight